What's up, guys? Share the Burping King here, back another video. Today I'm finally trying the Sprite challenge. I've heard a lot about this around the internet and I never tried it, and people always recommend this stuff like you should do Coke or soda or things like that, and I was like, hey, I know the Sprite challenge, so I'm doing that. Yeah, let's get this open and started. I'm gonna go for 10 minutes. Let's see how long I can hold it in. And then once I get to the 10-minute mark, I'm going to let it out. It seems impossible, but I've been burping for a long time, and I think I definitely have a challenge here, but I could definitely do it. So let's get this open. Just bought, I walked to the store. I just walked to the store, corner store where I live from, apartments, and I thought, hey, well, I might as well go buy one now. I mean, it's a little late, but most of you should get it by tomorrow, the video, if you're not asleep by now, once it's, out. So I just, jug this down, gulp this down, or what? I'm doing pretty good. It's really cold. The bubbles definitely fill your stomach up. Just letting it settle, okay? It's kind of uncomfortable. It's kind of uncomfortable, but once you get all the way down, I think I should do it. I don't remember eating it. No, I didn't eat it all before this. Maybe a couple hours ago when I did. Definitely fills you up. I don't know if I'll be able to finish the whole thing. I'm used to letting something out. Take a minute. I didn't drink it all yet. I'm all the way down here, as you can see. It's pretty low. Definitely. It's pretty slimy. I don't know. It's probably because I just drank Sprite. One second. I'm not gonna drink the rest yet. I'm just gonna. I don't know if I should do 10 or 5 minutes. I think 10 minutes is too possible. I couldn't get my friends in this. Some people recommended I should have friends in this. He was busy. I thought he could come here. Thought he could today, but Cat, you're always in the way of my videos. Come up here later. Yeah, run. Alright. I'm not positive because if I do, people will think I burp through the half that I pause it, so because I have to spit stuff out. It's super slimy. I don't know what it is, but alright, I'm trying to get the rest in as much as I can. I have 10 minutes, so very uncomfortable. Just give me some time. Be patient. that a cat drinking water? Geez, so loud. Alright, just gonna sit there for a sec, let everything settle, and then I'm gonna try to. I haven't done this before, so I'm used to burping everything out. Don't think of it. If I think of burping, shouldn't have said that. Oh my god. What's world record like for drinking Sprite and not burping? Is there a record? I wonder. I need to look it up. I may not beat it, but at least I'm getting pretty far. Go drink a little bit more in. What's this slimy stuff? Must need to drink. I'm not pausing because that's basically people believing that I'm cheating through that process. A lot of people will believe that I do that, but I'm not going to pause it once. I'm not finishing this. It's so unsettling to try to drink more because there's so much. Let things settle. This challenge is so hard. I haven't burped once. People that aren't used to burping as much as I do definitely have a harder time. Gotta think of something else rather than burping. No, I can't say it in my body thing. Not finishing this whole thing. It's so hard to get everything down without me wanting to. I could hear it in my throat trying to get out. It's not going to work. I don't like just drinking Sprite. It's just, I don't know, it's not my favorite drink. I'm a bit more of a Mountain Dew fan, but I have about this much left. It's only about this much, not that much. I drank most of it. More than half, not pretty obvious. Right? Come on, 2 minutes left. Then at the 10 mark, the 9:45-ish, 9:50, I will let it all out, and then 10 minutes, and then I'll just say my outro. God, I don't know. I can't, if I try to jug more down, just like take more down, it's so much, I don't know, the feeling is weird. I don't like it. I was in a burp. It's just trying to escape, so that's the sound of it in my throat. One sec. Almost done with it too. Once it's close at the end, I'm gonna jug it all the way down. There's so much buildup. Oh my god, is this too much? So uncomfortable. Ugh. I'm not drinking the rest. I have this much left. Do you think that counts? I mean, is that a lot? I'm not getting all of it down. Hell no. Well, that's all I have left. I think I did pretty good. I lasted a long time with a lot in me. Just drink the rest of it. Fuck it. I think I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, enjoy the video. So, peace.